I have to start and I have to end also. Because today is as per our last class for boot camp. So it is generally basically we have to 6 to 7 class was there. So last class I was reading error list and linked list. Error list was there, but I have to end up. So today, as per target was given by our sir, Sunil sir. So I will sort out it from. I will go through the more theoretical knowledge there, like file, JDBC API, and some what are the components. And rest I will in the last I will show the hash map and link list. That's all from today's session. So that I want to start here. Okay, Manisha Maji and others have joined. Manisha Maji is there. So Manisha Maji is not there.
Yes, sir,
Kundan
I
Kumar
am
not.
there.
Okay, you are here. Okay. Kundan joined. Kundan not joined. Okay, no issue. Okay, first I want to start because we have to build our project team first. Sorry, I was muted. So first I want to start here from the JDBC API because we need to let me. हाँ अनीस बोलो. हाँ हाँ तुम हट जाओ मैं इन लोगों का जल्दी जल्दी कंप्लीट कराऊंगा. हाँ हाँ मैं बुला लूँगा. ठीक है. ओके. So JDBC generally stand for Java Database Connectivity. Today I will read this one, then I will come to file. Because whenever you are going to connect your backend to front end, JDBC is required. So it is basically Java Database Connectivity. I will see on program also. Today I will cover a lot of theory because theory is needed. Today class is theory. So what is the JDBC? JDBC is generally what? Anyone from your team little bit know that because you have done the program like Manisha and others also who have done the Java programming. They are much aware about the JDBC. They use the Java, they use the connection and all to connect database. So anyone from team can tell me what is JDBC, how it is works, and what are the components. मनीषा मनीषा कुंदन
Yes,
कोई
sir.
एक जन. हाँ बोलो. ट्राई जस्ट ट्राई.
JDBC is mainly the connection with the back end and the front end, and the data is being collected in the front end, and the fetching of data is done through Java, and the database is stored, and the data is stored in database.
That's you tried very well. Basically you told very correct that it's something like we need to connect back into database to flow of data because we have to pass the data to our database also. So it is something like it is API. You can say API. I will later come. JDBC is the API. JDBC API, and it is defined the interface. In the API, there is the two things. It inside that is there is some interface also, and also a class. So class for what we have to connect the data. So there is something like two types of things here generally happen. So what are the things? First thing is that where this data comes from, that we know. And second things where the process the data has to go. Like I want to say select query and insert query. If I take the two statements, select query, so generally in the select query what happens is just a minute. Generally in the insert query what happens? Insert query we generally take where the data is going from the your backend to database. In select query what we get from where this data is come from. So two things generally basically happen. So two process from where this data.
Hello, sir.
नाम बोलो.
Hello.
नाम
Yes,
बोलो.
could you please repeat once? It's Ritam. Could you please repeat once?
रुक जा भाई एक मिनट. तो मेरे को नीचे. Yes. I was repeating. There's mainly two things, two processes.
Just
I
tell
was saying.
me, sir. Just repeat these things. Select and update. You said no something. So just tell me this.
Select means what? What you generally understood from select? You select means what? What you are getting the data from database.
No, sir. I don't know anything about Java. Actually, new. I'm new, sir.
Okay, you are very new. Okay, then you don't know SQL.
Sir, little bit.
So you don't know select. Select
I know,
query what it does.
Yes, sir. I know. I just want to know if the select is a DDL or DML command.
Okay, later I'm not going there. First, see what
No,
I'm
sir, just tell me,
suggesting.
I just want-
See. Just what I'm teaching, just ask from here. Okay, don't hypothetically asking from here and there. Last
No,
two
sir.
class I'm saying you.
I'm new.
Don't
No,
do
that's
this
why I
thing.
just want to know.
You are new. Everyone is new. I'm teaching DDL DML here. You are checking me, then you can call personally. I will tell everything. And again, warning that what I am teaching first ask from.
Okay. Asking you
Okay.
content, no, it's not out of content. It's a content, no.
Yeah, I know content
From
is there,
JDBC
but
it's
it
coming,
is
no?
not. It is not what I am doing teaching here. First, let me complete what I want to say.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
DDL, data definition language, data manipulation language. This I am not teaching right now. I am writing JDBC. So here, what I am saying, select query what it does. You don't know select query first. Tell me on.
I don't know anything, sir. Actually, I'm new, completely new.
So what is select statistics from table? What you know from it?
Sorry, sir.
Select statistics from table name. What does it return?
Sorry, I couldn't get you.
Select statistics from
select
table.
Star from table. Yeah, select star from table. It will retrieve all the data from table.
So what do you know? You know everything.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying no,
insert into table name. Insert into table name. What you get?
Insert into table name means it will insert into table name according to row and column.
You know everything. Okay.
Sorry.
I know. You know everything. So just be patient.
No, sir. I don't know
understood. Let's just mute. Let first be complete. Okay. When I will say, then ask. Okay. Let me first start. But don't disturb. Okay. So from where this data comes from, that I was taking the two process of JDBC. So comes from one process, and another process is there where the data we want to process. That's something like insert. We are getting the data, we are sending the data. So where data processed from. Just two operations through the JDBC. Any other operation you guys think that any other operation is there from JDBC? Generally, we are taking the data, we are sending the data. Yeah, something like delete is also something like that. We want to delete something, we have to go to database and we are deleting row and column. Update is also similar like that. So there is a two operation. So there is some component of JDBC that you used. I will first do the whole programming, then you will understood what are the components. So what are the JDBC components? So there are basically prepared statement that you used. Prepare statement is a component. SQL statement is a component. Result set is a component. So these are the three basic components that I want to explain in front of you. The JDBC component. Before going to there, I want to write one program by myself so that I can make it. So the JDBC component is that prepared statement. And another one is SQL statement, where we write generally SQL query. screenshot. And another one is like results set. I will come one by one deeply here because my target is today who don't know anything. Why you use result set, why you use prepared statement, that I want to explain. First, so that they can write the program and go to their application. And I will see live. So these three components I want to explain in the JDB. So for explaining this in deeply, I want to write some program. So let me write the program. Something like I am totally fetching the data. Just let me see. Because I am taking from fetching the data before. We want to fetch the data, so we have to create a query. Okay, let me start. Something like I'm writing public voice fetch. Okay, inside that I'm creating the main class. JS. Now I have to create database connection. So for that, let me open my Eclipse also, so that I can get better knowledge from live programming. Okay, is my Eclipse open? This.
मानो यार वो दिए तकिया
Okay, sorry, I was muted. Okay, let me see. Here I have made one DB connection that always my students. my colleagues are not. Let me see my first DB connection. What I have. See, every page you don't have to make the connection. It makes your program beyond the class. One class inside that I have made the connection. So this is the DB connection. My screen visible.
Yes, sir.
So see, I have made a single connection entire my whole application. I have not make each and every connection in every page. What I can say, last day I have connected with the Sudha Reddy. The Sudha Reddy is present or not here, I don't know. So he makes the every page connection. So see how I am making the connection. See, this is also a technique. Now in the connection, you can see DB connection is simple. I have go to your program project and just right click on their package and just create one class. DB connection. Inside that, I have written the one method, static method, get connection is there. So connection I was speaking. So everything you have to first get the connection. There is a connection you can do import. Everything is available inside of the Java. So the connection interface is being see you have to control here and just click. Okay, see, there is a lot of things that SQL is indefined. That like SQL exception and all the things through the connection we are getting. So we don't have to go to backend. We have to go to connection and all. So first we need to define the connection, and after that there is a class.for name. We have to define the CJ driver, JDBC driver. So what is the driver, JDBC driver? Something like if you are using MySQL Workbench. So your driver is that. If you are using Postgre, so for that driver is different. So driver is different according to your workbench. Suppose you are using another. Suppose I have given the example, and right now from here, Sandy is the database name, and root is the your user. 1234 is the password. So simple. Here
Hello, sir.
nothing you have to write.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Sir, class.forName, why we are writing, sir?
See, we are getting the class properties. What the forName, the class inbuilt giving the definition.
Sorry, sir.
We have to take the definition of the class. That MySQL JDBC driver has the definition inside the class. So class.forName properties we are using, getting the
Actually,
driver connection.
forName is, I think, method. Then what is it's returning? And if I'll not write that class.forName, so it will work or not?
No, not work. Definitely we have to call the driver, no? That's why I have writing class.forName.
If I'll not, remove that class.forName, it will work or not?
Yeah, definitely not work. You have to write the driver name. How you will write the driver? As per my knowledge,
I heard somewhere, sir, latest driver it's supporting no require of class.forName. It will automatically load.
I don't know much about that. As per my programming knowledge, what I have done, I have already used the class.forName for getting the driver connection. Okay, and sir. What I have also the Postgre also in my laptop. Let's see, I'm showing my Postgre also. Suppose MySQL Workbench, Postgre is also
sir, another doubt was, sir, why we are driving driver manager.get connection? Sir, what is this?
Yeah, driver manager user, not something like your driver manager. I am coming for that. There is a 3-4 types of driver right now. So according to driver manager, we are updating 4th version. And get connection is what? This is the properties. Inside the properties, there is something like you are defining. It all is coming from database. Localhost 33306. It is your database MySQL port number. Sandy is your localhost because it is locally it is connected. Sandy is your database name. Root is your password and all.
Okay, sir.
Wait. Let me open my MySQL Workbench.
Okay.
नहीं बोलो.
Sir, instead of localhost, can I write something remote server or remote database?
No, generally I have not seen this thing as per my what I have used till now.
Sir, then why we are writing localhost, sir? Then why we are writing
localhost? Because see, yeah. It is from here. It is not coming something like that from MySQL Workbench. It is coming. directly that properties.
Sir, please go to Oracle, sir.
Let me
SQL.
open.
It is much more convenient.
No, bro, I don't have Oracle. What I have, I can show that. Just wait. See, here is a localhost 3306. You can see in the MySQL connection. From there, we are getting that property.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. I can't see, sir.
This one. This
Yeah.
one.
Oh, yeah.
This
Yeah, I see.
3306 is the port number. So from here it is coming. So basically, we have to get the
I'm saying,
find
sir.
the single connection.
No, sir. I am saying that database is running on your local machine. That's why you are writing localhost. So if my database is somewhere in a remotely, and I want to I'm working for a company, and my company database is in USA. So I want to send my data to not my local machine. I just want to send my data to USA. So how I can
Yes, I
send?
have whenever. Yes.
Yeah, then
When
how I can
I
send?
was also connected to server also. Whenever I deploy this project in the server, so I used to write this connection all. There is nothing I have just
Yeah,
changing the database and all.
sir. Actually, then how? What I have to write there? Like in case instead of localhost 3030 port number, instead of this, then what I have to write?
That one only. Local is 3336.
Sir, how,
Nothing.
sir? Localhost is in my personal computer. Then how I
No,
write
no.
that?
Whenever you are deploying your server total application, I can deploy whenever I something like whenever I deploy my total application. So I just need to change database name. Nothing I have to change remote server and writing all this.
No, you are saying
This
about
is
servlet port number. I think you are saying a Tomcat port number. No, I am saying, sir.
I'm
Sir,
not telling Tomcat. I'm telling about server on, not Tom.
sir, I think, sir, you got my question, na? What I want to say?
नो भाई देखो उतना तुम जो ऊपर लेवल का बात कर रहे हो उतना मुझको भी नहीं आता है सिंपल सा बात
नहीं
कर रहा हूँ
मुझे सर
व्हाट
नहीं
आई
मुझे
कैन
मैं
से
जानना
इन
चाहता
द
हूँ सर
लोकल एंड सर्वर नहीं पता मुझे सब कुछ मुझे थोड़ी ना पता हो
ओके सर थैंक यू सर
मुझे जितना पता है मैं वही बता रहा हूँ कि मैं जब जो तुम्हारा काम है लोकल में तुम कैसे डिप्लॉय करोगे सर्वर पे कैसे करोगे तो लोकल में जब करोगे ये करना पड़ेगा सर्वर में जाओगे तो अकॉर्डिंग टू सर्वर मुझे डेटाबेस चेंज करना पड़ेगा पासवर्ड नहीं पड़ेगा And what you are saying that you are connecting from US and all, that I know, don't know.
No,
I
sir,
have
I am
not
saying,
much
sir.
level. No, I don't
Okay,
have
sir.
such level. I am telling simply why. Acha, now coming to what I was doing. Okay, the JDBC component I have. Okay, what is that prepaid statement first? Let me understood here because program करवाना पड़ेगा. So see that connection I have defined and DB connection. The method that I am taking here. Where is that? Okay, let me close off. Close. See, this is a simple JSP servlet project. It is not like MVC model view controller I have used, and I have used normal JSP servlet. And see how I am define the connection and how I am utilizing that connection, that single connection inside my each and every servlet. So see, DB connection is there. So get connection is my method. That class DB connection dot get connection. I have just get the connection. You can write. You can see what is it is com.ster.serve DB connection. That connection we have imported. So simply we don't need to define the connection in HTTP page. Why we are doing these things? Because what happens sometimes you have to deploy in the server. So when you going to deploy the server, you have to change your DB name, database name, password, root, and all, because your what you are supposed to deploy in the server, that is not according to safe. So that time we may face the issue because we have to change each and every sublet. If you define the connection each and every sublet, then you have to change each and every sublet connection. There the database name, there the username, their password, respective area. Sudha Reddy, are you there? Sudha Reddy join है क्या? Manisha, Sudha Reddy is there. The last what I have seen when he's come to me, I have seen he is defined GSP page connection. So also writing the connection in the GSP page, it is also a very bad technique. Don't use GSP as a connection. So just took one class and just deploy this class in each and every socket. See, I am opting on one more socket. See, here I am also db connection.get connection. So these are the standard methods to get the connection in each and every page. Now it is a simple project. When you come to string MVC, there is some different is there. I will come to later there. And always write if we are using JSP sublet project. So always write the do get while not attending the do get, because when we create the sublet there is something like do get is there. So don't write do get. It is something little bit unsecurity is there, and your value of URL your value will be shown in the URL. So that's why we avoid to do this. We use do post. So do post normal. Okay. After getting the connection, what we have to do? Simple. We have to go for the query, whatever the query, and inside the prepared statement we have to get the connection. Whatever the query, we have that execution, and we are getting in the prepared statement. See, there is a two statement is there, one normal statement, one is prepared statement. I generally recommend everyone to use prepared statement instead of statement. Statement is little bit insecure, and whatever the
How,
result
sir, it's
set is there.
insecure, sir?
How insecure in the means of SQL injection, you don't know in terms of security wise. So I
Yes,
will
yes,
come to there. SQL injection,
SQL injection
technique is
problem.
there.
You are saying SQL injection problem?
SQL injection, SQL injection, and also the some security issues there. We generally avoid. And whenever you deploy in the server, now sometimes whenever
Okay.
you use a statement, there is something like complication with that, like your connection is getting destroyed each and every time. That things we have generally faced, so we generally use the prepared
So,
statement
sorry, sir.
instead of this.
Sorry, sir. What you said? Connection is being destroyed. Sorry, I couldn't get it. Could you please repeat?
Connection is getting aborted. Means sometimes your connection becomes 404. You are not
Yes, sir.
getting the data. Yeah, insecure. Okay, SQL injection term is there, so that's why you use the prepared statement instead of instead. And result set is also interface that represents the that objects that hold the data retrieved from your data
Sir,
after you
sir,
execute
for
the
a
SQL
connection
request.
problem. Hello, sir. Sir, for connection problem, then we can go for sir, connection pool, sir. Can you go for connection pool?
Connection pool, no. Connection pool is not required right now. So I am telling, don't go there. सुनो, क्या नाम
Okay.
है तुम्हारा भाई? तुम लगता है थोड़ा सा ज्यादा जानते हो, ठीक है?
मैं कुछ
So
नहीं
don't
जानता हूँ सर,
disturb.
मैं
I think
सुना
you
हूँ
are
सबसे।
disturbing. नहीं, तुम थोड़ा ज्यादा जानते हो, मुझे जहाँ तक
नहीं
लग रहा
सर,
है.
मुझे कुछ भी नहीं
Try
पता
to
है।
mute
मैं
yourself.
सर मैकेनिकल ब्रांच से हूँ
Try
सर।
to mute yourself. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग हैं, उन लोग शांति से सुन रहे हैं, तो try to mute. तुम जो बोलोगे फिर मेरा कॉम्प्लिकेशन होगा, थोड़ा शांति बनाए रखो. ज्यादा जानते हो और भी एक क्लास मिलेगा, वहाँ पे हम तुमको ले लेंगे. कनेक्शन पुलिंग में नहीं आ रहा हूँ भाई, कहाँ तुम जा रहे हो? कनेक्शन पुलिंग I am teaching prepared statement. If you know connection pooling, just be muted. Every time, this is now what I am
बोल
facing
रहे हैं
last
मैं
2
उसका ही
Sunday.
आंसर दे रहा हूँ। आपने जो बोल रहे हैं मैं
No,
उसके
वो
रिलेटेड बोल रहा हूँ। आप बोले कनेक्शन
कनेक्शन
डिस्टर्ब
पुलिंग
होगा,
में अभी नहीं गया हूँ.
तो आपने बोला कि कनेक्शन
क्या
डिस्टर्ब
कनेक्शन
होगा,
डिस्टर्ब
देन वी
होगा?
शुड गो फॉर कनेक्शन पुलिंग। देन
No,
सर
nothing to
मैं
have to
नया
connection
हूँ तो
pooling
मुझे
right now.
बताइए, मतलब अच्छे से बताइए। मैं नया हूँ, मैं नहीं जानता हूँ स्टेटमेंट, प्रिपेयर स्टेटमेंट मैं
मुझे
नहीं
नहीं
जानता
पता,
हूँ।
अभी कनेक्शन पुलिंग में बाद में आऊंगा. कनेक्शन पुलिंग में बाद में आऊंगा, तो मैं उस समय तुमको पढ़ा दूँ. कनेक्शन पुलिंग right now. I am right now prepared statement and statement. That I am what I am. Why
Sir,
we
I am
do
not
the prepared statement.
I'm not
See, I
disturbing,
am
sir.
taking Java 14 class.
In
See,
no,
no,
sir, just
see,
listen to me.
Sritam.
Where we are
No,
showing project,
no.
then why
Everyone is
you are also
silent.
disturbing to us? Then why you are questioning, arise question? Why we are simply showing
No, why?
project to someone? Then why you are in middle? Then why we are irritating us? Then why you are putting lots of question to us?
Okay, just generally told me that I am going to. I am not going to handle your project. Nothing like that. If you don't tell, I will not go there.
No, no, sir.
Why
I
should
am
I
not saying.
disturb?
I'm not. I'm
Just
not
leave
saying
the
to
class.
go.
If you have the issue,
I'll
I am
leave, sir.
calling the Sunil sir. Just leave my class and go.
Okay, sir. I'm
Just
leaving,
go
sir.
just
I'm
leave
not
it.
saying, sir. But why you are
अरे भाई लीव
putting
करो यार तुम,
lots
डिस्टर्ब
of
कर रहे हो
question
तुम
to
यार,
in while we are showing
नहीं
project.
पूछेंगे तुमसे, मैं तुमसे बात भी नहीं करता हूँ, लीव करो,
Okay,
क्लास
bye.
लीव करो तुम, जस्ट लीव करो अब घर, चला रहा फोन, ये कौन है यार, बार बार आके क्लास में डिस्टर्ब करता है, लीव करो, 2 दिन से आ गया क्लास में डिस्टर्बेंस कर रहे हैं। अच्छा गाइस, थोड़ा सा 10 मिनट करना, ये थोड़ा I am teaching prepared statement. He is going to connection for you. He is well prepared. See, you are very new, so you guys may don't know. Just stay here. Let me handle this. Each and every time same. Okay, just wait. Let me solve this issue. Anish, are you there? Anish, hello. Anish, are you there? The main intention of this person is that why I am going to interfere in his project when he is doing. So let me solve this. Just wait, persons. My intention here to read you something that you can do the project first. He is not right now going to. Everyone is silent. He is speaking. Last is over. सी ये इशू होता है, इसको कोई इशू नहीं है, मैं उसको भी ठीक कर देता हूँ। In the Java 14, so much I have quietly understood each and everything. Who is attending Java 14 batch? This guy is not coming in the Java 14. How politely has completed the batch? Everyone getting the knowledge. Instead of disturbing, let me first complete. Poking is not the good thing. If you know very well why you are joining, just go and do the project. तो मैं बर्दाश्त करूंगा नहीं भाई, इस तरह बोल के जाएगा तो मैं क्लास सस्पेंड कर दूंगा।
हेलो संदीप।
जस्ट हाँ भाई हेलो, थोड़ा ये क्लास को मन तो नहीं कर रहा है, तो एक जन है अनिश, देयर इज समथिंग लाइक टोल्ड श्रीतम इज देयर,
ओके,
सो सम हैज प्रॉब्लम, वेयर इज सुनील सर इज देयर?
नहीं सुनील सर तो नहीं, सुनील सर ज्वाइन करवाएं क्या?
सुनील सर को सेशन में नहीं सेशन में कंप्लीट करता हूँ, उसके बाद सेशन शुरू होगा। सुनील सर और थोड़ा आलोक सर को बोलना कि कॉल किया।
क्या कोई प्रॉब्लम हुआ है क्या सर संदीप?
हाँ यार, है बंदा, सीतम नाम है, 2-3 क्लास से वो कंटिन्यू डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है। Except for question, nothing like checking arguing with me. मैं इसको क्लास के बाद हैंडल करता हूँ।
ठीक है,
ठीक है।
क्लास खत्म कर लो, उसके बाद बात करते हैं।
ठीक है, रिकॉर्डिंग का थोड़ी देना, वो डिस्टर्ब। अरे 2 क्लास से ऐसे ही हो रहा है। नेक्स्ट क्लास में भी मैं उसको बोला, वो आता है क्वेश्चन करेगा, फिर आधा 1 घंटा बाद चला जाएगा, तो इससे भी अटेंड पूरा नहीं करता है। तो जानता होगा बेसिकली थोड़ा थोड़ा। हम लोग जितना जानते हैं भाई पहले वो कंप्लीट कर ले, क्योंकि जो न्यू है उन लोगों को जाना जरूरी है।
ओके ओके।
अच्छा, मनीषा और उधर कुंदन, हेलो मनीषा अनम्यूट। हेलो मनीषा, सुधा रेड्डी, हेलो हेलो, कोई है मीटिंग में कि सब चला गया? हेलो सुधा रेड्डी, मनीषा माची, इज आई एम ऑडिबल? अनिर्बन, आई एम ऑडिबल?
Yes, sir.
चलो तुम तो आए कम से कम। ओके छोड़ो, जो भी हुआ होता है कभी कभी, ऐसे ही हुआ था। मैं भी एक बार फर्स्ट बैच में जब आई वाज टीचिंग विद Govind sir was our mentor. I was the team of Govind sir when I joined 2019. Same one person came again. If you know something, if you are something know, yeah, you can here you can contribute instead of arguing with me how much you know. See how he questioned me that why you are interfering when we are arguing. You see, my role is there now when I can ask there. So why he is interfering? So my ego issues there. Maybe I'm not arguing. I'm just saying what I know I can deliver. Yeah, something like I have one plus experience. So I have some limitation. Inside that limitation, I can understood each and everything to you guys. Beyond that, I don't have so much knowledge. So that knowledge, what I understood, that is, you guys can completely be a developer. Okay, I am also cracked TCS. I am going to join TCS. Capgemini I have cracked. Right now I am cracked to other companies. So what the enough knowledge I can deliver, that is okay. So there is something like I was telling that you have to make a single collection entire your program. That you understood or not? Anirban.
Yes, sir.
You understood? You have to make a single connection inside your whole program.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, you
Yeah,
can
okay,
make
sir.
it now. Okay, and after that, this connection you have to implement each and every sublet. Okay, see how I am implementing in the sublet that I was there, and through that you have to execute your SQL query, and through result set, these all are the SQL components. So what is result set? It is also interface. अब जिसको who is don't know interface, yeah, this is a Java bootcamp page, bootcamp session. So here we don't explore whole knowledge, interface, inheritance. This is all we deliver in our that Java 14 which I am taking. There I go. So what is prepared statement? What is SQL statement? This is the SQL statement. This is a prepared statement. These all are the component, and this is the result set. These three basically we have the component to stabilizing the whole connection, and after that execute query, and after that results. So result set basically what they store. I am just writing some definition and points to note it down. So the prepared statement is an interface. It is not a class. Interface and represent the SQL statement. SQL statement where we generally do the data manipulation, DDL, DMS को बोल के गया, like we do insert, update, delete, and what are the operations? Select, and what insert, update, delete, select, and anything more? I don't think.
Create.
So these are the some. Yes, please.
So create.
Great. Thank you. Great is also there. So these are the SQL statement we generally like. So this is also the stored, whatever the SQL statement you have write, this generally stored inside the prepared statement. Now come to results. So what is result set? Result set is also interface. See, there is a huge difference with the interface and class. See, so who are new? Interface and class. Generally, in the class we can write anything inside that method, body, based interface, something limitation. Interface does not about private. We cannot declaration is not there. We have to implement the interface. So something class and interface has difference. So prepared statement is also interface. Result set is also interface. Interface has generally some definition is there. How I am showing interface definition? See. Interface is there. Suppose I have told result set is interface. So whenever I control here and see one declaration, it will go. So all result set declaration will come. So here inbuilt all things are there. You can go through. So basically we don't go inside that. There's a lot of code, lot of things. We don't go there. We just understood what will happen after the declaring the connection. There is something like we have to write the SQL query, and inside the SQL query, this value is stored inside the prepared statement, and after that we have to define the result set. So result set is what doing. Result set is also interface to represent the database table. So suppose that if you have something like you have that insert query, now prepared statement. Now inside that you are inserting, so I am setting the string character whatever the value, and after that I have something like result set I have there. In this connection result set is not there. Okay, no issue. I'm going to active so see here result set. So after select what result set value, if something is there inside the value result set, if you want to print the result set, what it will become? Let's see. No need to print. Let it print because here the value is going rs dot next, rs dot get string. So these product name, product price, product ID, these all values are just stored inside the result set, and we are instance. We are declaring the instance of the result set. Result set is the interface. We are rs is the instance of the result set. Okay. Through that rs dot get string, whatever the value inside the result set, we are fetching it. That product name, product price, product, and after storing whatever the our business logic is there, we can just map. I have used has map to just put set all, and we are just making the object and passing the data. This is very so simple. You have to understood that one all. After getting the connection, we have the single connection inside whole our program. After that, making the connection, we have to write whatever the business logic, that is SQL query, and that SQL query value will be stored in the prepared statement, and that prepared statement again going for the result set is an interface. If result set has something like value, if rs dot has dot next, that instance has nothing next, then this value is going to end. Where is it is ending? Let me see. And there is something like nothing is there. Nothing will be print because it is nothing. If I print something like here system.out.println, we don't have any value. So if nothing like that, then nothing it will print. It's rs.get string, result set, and connection. Here is only whatever we have to define. I have simply tell through that our live programming. Nothing more here for the database connectivity. There is something like database connection. We have to three component SQL statement, prepared statement, result set, and after that getting data is there. Then something like insert update delete operation will be there. ओके, अर्कोदीप कैसा लग रहा है, बोलो पहले, ये समझ में आया?
सर यहाँ पे मैप क्यों आया सर?
कौन सा?
सर मैप, हैश मैप।
अच्छा, हैश मैप में मैंने क्या किया है, जो वैल्यू मैं ले रहा हूँ उसको मैं फिर एक, बिकॉज वी आर गेटिंग लॉट ऑफ वैल्यू है, ओके, so I am putting hash map. Hash map generally I am telling the hash map after that. Hash map something like key value pair. It is a key. It is a value. Product name is a value. It is a key. Inside that key, I am just taking that all inside that one object. I am making map object, and through that map object inside my JSP page, I am getting whole data using C for each loop. C for each loop I will come later. So lot of things. Okay, basically hash map is generally we are storing the data. I am not using array list because array list is somewhere there is nothing like key value pair. It is only value, but we need to key. See why I am using key. See, let me see. I am going to where it is redirecting new product. Okay, let I am going to .jsp. How I am using that key value pair. Okay, please help me here, guys. कहाँ पर है? Because we have 200 plus JSP pages. New product JSP. ये new कहाँ पे है? See, time roll. Yeah. So this I am setting the request attribute set list to and next to that variable I am getting all values, order ID, product name, product price. So this is the one way of making getting the C for each that all product category, this all value will come there, product name, product price, product
sir.
category. See how I am getting inside my cheese. बोलो।
सर सर ये समझ में नहीं है जो
हाँ,
हैश
बोलो, बोलो।
मैप अपने किया था ना इसी वक्त जो हैश, हाँ मैप द पुट्स है, ये समझ में आया।
हैश मैप मैं अभी पढ़ाऊंगा। हैश मैप एक्चुअली तुम लोगों को मैं पढ़ाया नहीं हूँ, एरे लिस्ट तक पढ़ाया हूँ। सो लेटर आई विल कम देयर। फर्स्ट तुम डेटाबेस कनेक्शन, तुम डेटाबेस कनेक्शन कर पाओगे नहीं, ये स्टेटमेंट होगा तो तुम लोगों को मैं चैट बॉक्स पे दे देता हूँ। चैट बॉक्स में सबसे बढ़िया देखो, मिल गया तुम लोगों को। ये एक ही बार लगेगा, नथिंग यू हैव टू डिफाइन ऑल द टाइम, जस्ट वंस टू गेट द कनेक्शन। Okay, and after that what you have to do, you have to get the connection inside the servlet, and after the select query whatever that you have to do. And before यहाँ तक आने के बाद select query result set, this is your end, database connection is खत्म। अब इसके बाद तुम्हारा जो क्या करना है, उसको हैश मैप में डालना है कि उसको सेशन में लेके जेएसपी में जाना है कि सेशन सर्वलेट का यूज करना है, ये सब मैं बाद में आऊँगा। According to our application, I use hash map because we have lost lot of value. That's why I have used hash map. यदि मुझे लॉगिन करना होता तो मुझे इतना नहीं करना होता, सीधा सेशन का यूज करके मैं लॉगिन करता। So nothing like here. So when you install the coding, then you will get to understand. And one thing, Sudha Reddy is not joined. Why? I don't know. Many of the team is not joining. जिसको आना है वो आते नहीं है, जिसको नहीं आना है देखो वो लोग को आता है, वो लोग ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं। सुधा रेड्डी को यहाँ आना चाहिए, उनको वो पूरा कनेक्शन उसको नहीं आ रहा था। तो हेयर एनी वन टीम जिसको कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ कनेक्शन क्रिएट करने में, क्या है कनेक्शन में डेटाबेस, यहाँ पे मैं बता दिया ये डेटाबेस का नेम होगा, रूट इज अ यूजर, 1 2 3 4 is a password, this is a simple, nothing more like that. Okay, so here is one more thing. Anyone tell me what is the difference between the request dispatcher? I have used here request dispatcher. Let me see where I have used request dispatcher to dispatch inside the software. This one. The request dispatcher generally we used to transfer the server side to the JSP. See, I am using request dispatcher because our servlet work is overdone. Right now, I am going to new JSP, that is our new order product JSP. And here is the forward request response. This is the client server side request response that you have to write only. If you will not write, something like error will come, because if I put here request response will be the something like server and client communication. Something like you have to dot put forward request response like that. तो कुछ कोड क्या होगा, तो if you are going for big MNC, this is a small organization, but we have to learning JSP sublet. And I am showing a big application that I have done from my hand coding to everyone. Okay, right now I am going for one registration page. Let me show registration page. So can anyone help you with the registration? See, here also I have get that connection from db connection.get connection. I have used a SQL statement and all for registration, setting the string. Here I have not used the what is that result set, because here result set is not required. So why it is not required? Because we don't want to get the data. We are just checking prepaid statement has stored anything value or not. So execute update is a one query. Execute update. This all I have to remember. So there is a lot of things. If see here तुम लोगों को कोडिंग समझना पड़ेगा. कोडिंग डॉट करो, देखो यहाँ पे बहुत सारा आएगा. execute update वर्क, lot of method. इतना मेथड पढ़ाना पॉसिबल नहीं है बॉस. मैं सिंपल बोलता हूँ, ये सब तुम लोगों को खुद से गो थ्रू करना पड़ेगा. If you want to be a big developer, what are the return types, what are the method, ये देखो डॉट मार के समझना पड़ेगा. So right now I am using git execute update because we want to check there is something value or not. So get execute update generally returns 1 or 0. Okay, ये भी तुम लोग पता कर लो, क्योंकि देखो यहाँ पे जब when we use repeat statement dot, so here is the int type. Int is there. If I put here is string, see what happened. It is not type casting is there. So here is the int. So that's why I am put here. So prepaid statement execute update is there. If 0 is there, means what? We don't have value. Something went wrong. Registration is not done. If something 1 is there, it means what? Updated executed method. Your SQL connection में your database has inserted data successfully. So it is something like your update is done successfully, and you are doing one. See, update means what? You are something where insert. Insert means update. So successfully inserted, and right now we are going inserted. Then I have used the request dispatcher future login.js normal. If it is not request, if not gone, then again login page, again registration page, because it is not registered. I have to again have something done wrong there. So very basic simple thing, nothing registration, login, and whatever I am getting all data. So very easy. And after that making hash map, I will come again. Hash map is what till now I have not given details. Hash map later I will. So Arkodeep and Manisha, you guys are there. So Here any issue to insert, update, delete? What is repeat statement? What is set string? Why we are doing set string? Yeah, one more issue. Why we are doing set string? Because here one more thing I want to say. It is always start from 1 2 3. There is nothing like 0. Customer name is 1. This is a generally we said it is index of the SQL. So customer name is 1, username 2. If you something like you put it here 2 3, if you mistake by mistake do anything here, so your data is going wrong position, because it is fixed with your this customer name is something like you are getting from upper. See, you are getting from here, and this customer name is coming from your registration page name, the get parameter, and this customer you are using for set parameter because you want to insert the value inside your database. So that customer you need to set through that your prepared statement. Prepared statement will get the value from where you have to set here. So right now I have to make it correct, otherwise it will possible. Customer name. So this is all about, it is always start from 1, and here is the how many value you are inserting, that many of type of question mark you have to put. Something like it is a insert query, what I am teaching insert, how to write an insert query. So here those many type of question mark you have to put, and this is the set string and all. And nothing here. So this is a one registration page code I have done. So those who are doing from Angular Spring, it's a different architecture, but earlier Spring Boot has a different one. I will come later the Spring Boot. Right now there is something like everything is changed. You don't need to write the each query. There is something like Session Factory is coming, JDBC template is coming. You just do JDBC template and just whatever the instance you are getting and dot save. You don't need to write all insert query. Your all data is going to submit easily. So these when it was earlier when we are not doing. So these things you also must learn. JSP Sublet. Without JSP Sublet concept, you cannot. Your base is not. So get parameter is generally we are getting the data from PHP. Set parameter we are setting the that value pair inside our query for insert. And this is the whatever that request dispatcher using to dispatch our page inside your JSP sublet whatever according to our business logic. What you can say our business logic where our data is falling. That's all. अच्छा चलो यहाँ तक हुआ, तुम लोगों को थोड़ा बहुत समझ में आया होगा. Okay, later one thing more I will say, because this is not going to affect lot of more. We have to give the code also so that you can do copy paste and you, by your hands on practice you will get. अच्छा किसने किसने ये सब कर लिया है from here? परेश कुलकर्णी, मनीषा माझी, तुम लोगों ने कभी ये सब किया है इंसर्ट खुद से? परेश कुलकर्णी आर देयर?
मैंने कर लिया.
तुमने कर लिया. परेश कुलकर्णी, have you tried from yourself the JSP sublet insert update complete?
No sir, still I didn't tried sir. I will work on it sir, because I'm working on Angular parts sir, actually front end.
Angular is okay, bro. See
Yeah.
what I am saying. Angular is okay. Angular is your UI.
Yes,
For
sir,
UI
yes, yeah.
purpose, you are using Angular. That is. But what about Java backend?
Yeah.
You are using Boot.
Yes,
Boot
sir,
is
yes,
okay. Boot is right now advanced, but your
Yes.
base is not very strong. What I can understand, you have to work on JSP sublet also.
yes, sir, yes, sir, yeah.
Okay.
I will work on it sir, yeah.
Work on it, but try to get it. If you have any issue, मेरे को पिंग करो, मैं वहाँ पे आके help करूँगा.
Yes, sir,
Okay.
yes, sir, yes,
I am
sir,
also like you are 4-5 months here. I am also like 1 year 6 months. But
Yes,
what
sir.
I can understood, I am delivering from my side. Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir, yes, sir, okay, sure, sir, yeah.
तो ये अभी तक यहाँ तक था. अच्छा, और एक चीज तुम लोगों को बताना चाहता हूँ. This is all about normal JDBC connection. result set prepared statement, because when you are going for higher version of Spring Boot now, you guys are losing this concept. What is prepared statement? There is nothing like in Spring Boot prepared statement. Anyone have seen prepared statement in Spring Boot? Tell statement प्रेफरेंस खुल करने देखा तुमने वहां पे? नो. तो ये सब हाँ बोलो.
तो कौन सा स्टेटमेंट बोले, फिर से बोलिए.
प्रीपेड स्टेटमेंट. स्प्रिंग बोट में कहीं प्रीपेड स्टेटमेंट देखा? नहीं. क्योंकि समथिंग लाइक यू वहां पे इनबिल्ट डेफिनेशन इज कमिंग, सेशन फैक्ट्री यू आर यूजिंग or something like list you are using, so you have to go through also JSP software. Why I'm recommending? Because you will get more knowledge. Yeah, my hierarchy is maintained. Like I have done JSP sublet, and I am going to Spring MVC. Then I went to Spring normal MVC, that is model controller. Then boot. Then this one hierarchy will maintain. That is. Acha. One more thing, I am going to MySQL Workbench also, because many of you are new, they don't know how to create all. This is the last bootcamp class, so my duty was given that I have to give all application knowledge, how you will do this all. So right now I'm opening my MySQL Workbench. So always use MySQL Workbench. Acha, everyone done the machine setup? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone please done the machine setup and start coding also. Okay. Machine setup must be done till we have 4, 6, 7 months, 4 to 5 months we have already happened. So till if machine setup is not done, it means very big issue. Our project manager will also score. So okay, it is opening. It is hanging little bit. Why it is hang कर दिया. देखो आज पैकेज भी पढ़ाना था, फाइल भी पढ़ाना. See now, when we are going for a big interview now, like IBM, Capgemini, you don't need to. They will not ask like why you are storing your database in US, what you will write. No, this thing is not required here. Basically, you say what is prepared statement, what is result set, why you use prepared statement, what is SQL injection. So what is necessary, that I will teach. SQL query, they will ask basically SQL query, how to write insert query, how the index is set, what is request dispatcher. So basic things you must. What I am giving, that is okay for your interview purpose also. Okay. अरे मैं जब आता था, the guys who teaches work with me, like Madhuparna Agarwala, right now working in Capgemini as a civilian analyst. I teach him everything. Teaching everything. He also worked on extra scientific with me. We know what actually they asked, what they actually want. Okay, let me again open MySQL Workbench. When I go to TCS, what they asked to me, because I went for the very senior position, I cracked the interview. My joining is also pending somewhere. So they asked about the server related, all the server, how we deploy the server. Earlier I have took the session on server. So who missed it, took recording session. Okay. So in this database platform, what is schema? The schema is how to create a schema. Just click on that. And put the new schema name. Token number. Put it and apply. let me check. Where is students? Okay, whenever you create the project, you have to create a schema separately. Don't write the schema means what? You are creating somewhere the database name. So each and every project you have separate database. If you are doing a project, don't make two project a single database. What it will make? It will make your program. It will make your application heavy. What in the end of the day you will not found which table is related to which database. Which table is related to which database. So always for a single project, use one single schema database. Huge space is there. No need to. I have created so many database right now for my single one. So let me put one schema. So what is this? Selected name conflict with it. Achha, student is already there. Student created. Okay, student created. So there is the way to create the schema from this. There is a lot of things, so don't go there. Yeah, database has a lot of things. Why? It's something like you have to keep the your table. So how you will give data export import option is there. Whenever sir will give the, so you have to export. Normal thing I am showing how you will give the database to a friend. Like that, if you want to give student here, so click on the student. So what are the tables? Right now I have created no tables, so you have 0 tables. And here one more option, dump structure and data, dump structure. So basically, if you want to deliver whole structure and data with your data, means your table structure and data, then you select this all are option. So right now I'm done select data. Okay. Achha, here is the one more two option. One is self-contained and one is dump. So generally, self-contained is required for .SQL. Why we took it? Because in our server area, we generally when we open it, so it will like, let's see what happens. If I something, we have to understood basic two difference. What is the role of this one dump file and what is the .SQL? So Manisha Maji and my remote intern team, you all are there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो वही ये सब देख लो तुम लोग, तो मैं बता दे रहा हूँ तुम लोगों को. कभी मैं बोला कि डेटाबेस का बैकअप दो, तो हाउ यू विल डू इट, दैट ऑल आई एम शोइंग. The last class, that's all I'm showing. Okay, right now I'm using pathology. So inside that pathology, if you click on that, if you click, then you will get that according to their table, this 3 table right now. So which table you want to export, you can check, uncheck this thing. Manisha, तुम ये सब जानती हो? मनीषा?
No, sir. No.
नहीं जानती. ओके, तो ये देख लो. यहाँ पे मान लो सेलेक्ट किया है, तो इसमें भी जब क्लिक करोगे तो देखो यहाँ पे बहुत सारा टेबल है. तो मान लो तुमको सारा टेबल एक्सपोर्ट नहीं करना है, तो मान लो 5 टेबल यू वांट टू एक्सपोर्ट, तो यू वांट टू एक्सपोर्ट. तो स्ट्रक्चर डेटा बोथ आई एम टेकिंग. Now I am doing to self-contained SQL one, and right now it is exported in the dumps and the 711. Let's see. Okay, it is exported completely. So when I go to document, go to dump. So which one is the that 711? Okay, we have this one. Okay, so whenever you want to open Notepad, open karo, you will see a lot of data and structure both are there. See, this is the one way. Who are right now in the morning, whenever Alok sir told in the Vyama, some of our team is going to work in Vyama and database. So whenever going to, they will ask these things only. how you going to export, what is dump, what is .sql, if you want to value in data structure. So these things you have to understand. See here, insert into values, all values of that coming. So this is a one kind of data operation. See how many. This is called SQL script. चलो भैया, ये इतना तो देखो कितना ये डेंजर लग रहा है देखने में. Something like that. So nothing, it is very easy. If you go there, this is something like if I go one structure on. देखो जब तुम लोग काम करोगे एक्चुअली जब डेवलपर सर्वर पे, तो तुम लोगों को ये सब आना जरूरी है. यहाँ से देखो क्रिएट स्टेटमेंट का क्वेरी at one only. This is only the create statement. So if you want to only create a statement, just copy here and delete. The open one not right. So these things you have to generally practice yourself. Create table is creating. So if I control A, control C, if you want to create same table in my employee, see how I am doing. Go to administration. अच्छा, प्राइमरी की ऑफ ए टेबल में 1 और 2.
1 sir.
Tell me, can a primary key null?
No sir, not now.
No, sir.
Auto increment, can I
Yes
do?
sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Unique, bold, these all you have to understand also. Unsigned, you can unsign, sign, nothing it will affect. General column, it is nothing required. Default expression, whatever you want to write. Right now I'm just putting. Unique key of a table may be 1 or 2. Can I put 2 unique key in my one table? बोलो डेटाबेस में कितना नॉलेज है तुमको? Can I put 2 unique key in my one table?
No, sir.
No.
Okay, I am creating one table. Why not यार? यहाँ पे मैंने यूनिक की, क्यों नहीं होगा? मेरा मन में 2 बनाऊँ, क्यों नहीं? जो नो बोला है सर अपना नाम बताओ. Unique key can be 2, 3, 4, but primary key must be 1.
Hello, sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, what is difference between unique key and primary key, sir?
Unique key, primary key, basic difference is there. Primary key we generally use for the relationship in the terms of like you have to create foreign key if one table to another table. So something like you will see here foreign key. So here it will required. If your primary key is not there, you cannot make it as a foreign key. Something you have to add. Okay, wait. अरे आ ही नहीं रहा, मेरी हेवी स्टूडेंट न्यू टेबल में सेलेक्ट हो सकते. So basically what is that? Foreign primary key is generally we use for the relationship, but whereas the unique key we cannot do the relationship between table. Foreign primary key must be unmute.
Yes sir, yes.
अच्छा, primary key must be single inside whole table. Unique key may be 1, 2, 3.
Okay, sir.
Unique key we generally use to get the duplicacy. If something like duplicate, you want to avoid the duplicate data, you must use unique key. Okay.
Yes sir, yes.
Through
Okay,
primary key, we generally use auto increment. So when you use auto increment, so what it will give automatic data update. So generally, basically, it is giving some structure. अच्छा, म्यूट करो, म्यूट करो भाई साहब. See, whenever I primary key, there is something like auto increment. Auto increment is the one more beauty features of the primary key. Where we insert the data, it will automatically 1, 2, 3 will be happen. See, I am putting 2 unique key. So here, see, apply is already done. The table is see Sonu and Sandeep. So both are the unique key. So if here let me put as what I said, duplicacy not allowed because we have done the unique.
Yes, sir. Yes.
W. Okay, both I have done. If I apply here, see what is there is error. The error while applying the SQL script database, duplicate entry for this key is unique. दिख रहा है तुम लोगों को?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Duplicate entry for S is unique, not allowed. So S is not allowed. So that is the thing, unique key, one feature. So one table can have multiple unique key, but one table have only one primary key. That I also can I put in front. Let me prove. If I put one primary key and apply, I have applied two primary key.
Yes.
But I don't know. This is generally not happen. Primary key must be one. Why it is taking? So let me see. Generally primary key must be one. Okay, whenever you insert, then you will get the face size.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
ये आ गया. Primary key must not be there. Okay, so this is all about my thing. Okay, I am here. How to insert a script run? Okay, script run भी मैं तुम लोगों को दिखा देता हूँ. ये suppose I want to create one payment table inside my whole inside my student table. So just Control A, Control B, and just you need to do one thing here. Just here payment table. You will go to student. Schema name dot table. Just Control A, and here is the execute statement. So here will be the result in the draw. So just put this output is below. You have to put it. Let me see. Something error is happened. Okay, here is the customer has some foreign key relation. You have to eliminate because foreign key we cannot. Foreign key मैं तुम लोगों को बताऊंगा. टाइम देखो सिखाने तो आता हूँ लेकिन क्या उन्होंने कुछ लोग सीखना नहीं चाहते. मैं अभी प्राइमरी की भी हटा देता हूँ. I want to insert normal. Primary key and foreign key we can do manually also. Nothing like split it is necessary. Somewhere has the issue. थोड़ा सा ये स्क्रीन छोटा है इसी को एक मिनट. Concentrate foreign keys on delete cascading. बहुत कुछ सीखना पड़ेगा. This one taking.
Sir, comma will be deleted.
Oh, last one. Okay. Oh, thank you. So after that, just exclude it. So in compatible, in correct table definition, there can be one auto column. One auto column must be, the auto increment is something where related you can manually do it. Okay, it is completed successfully. So some things that we cannot do manually, so we can delete it, and after that we can, if you want to, where I have auto increment over here inside the payment ID. So you can do it manually after going to the table is created. So here is something like there can be only one auto column. It is already two auto columns. Okay, primary key was not. So it is completed. So through the schema, I have created, through the SQL script, I have created table, and successfully I have, because whenever you create it, you have to write down the things. Why I am teaching these things? Because whenever you are going to work on the server, so you have to must have a skill how to handle those things to create, because here you will not create manually payment ID typing is totally avoid. If you type now, here will be the case sensitive. Minor mistake must be happen. So in that cases, we try to avoid typing. So through this technique, we have to do. Okay, understood. How to create the table, how to do these things manually, how to export, import, these all.
Yes, sir.
Import is also there. If you want to import something, so you can import from there. But you have to mention the which target schema, means which database you want to insert. There's a lot of schema. If you don't want to existing database, you can create one new schema here. Click on the new, and you can create the new schema. Right now, I'm creating on Sandeep P. 5126 Sandeep P is coming default. So whatever the table you want to insert, you can just put the schema. So that one I'm. Let me see. Okay, now the page there, default data structure. Okay, there is one start import is there, but it is too much low. It is not visible. You start because my screen is little slow. So inside the Sandeep P, I am importing one whole table with data in front of you. So this is the small thing, the data operation through the database. You must know how to do this. So it is important successfully. One error is there, something like what is the error? Operation failed. Sandeep P address does not. Okay, let me see. Sandeep P is completed. Sandeep P is created. So here table, okay, it is created only. Something it is minor. This is not raised because I have created one Sandeep P in front of all of you. So all table is manually inserted. See, we don't need to do anything. Just how beauty is there. Data operation. Have you understood? स्टूडेंट मेरे भाई कलीग समझे तुम लोग?
Yes, sir.
देखो मैंने पूरा टेबल क्रिएट कर दिया विद इन वन इम्पोर्टेंट इंपोर्ट। यदि मैं क्रिएट करने जाऊं और इसमें डेटा इंसर्ट करने जाऊं, मुझे लगभग 3 घंटा लगेंगे इसको करने में। होगा भी कि नहीं पता नहीं, बट दिस थिंग्स आई नो द लॉजिक्स, सो इट इज कंप्लीटली ओके। राइट नाउ एवरी डेटा, एवरी स्ट्रक्चर, टेबल होल्ड with me. So these things is required. You must have a hands-on practice with you. Whenever you are going home, try to do these things. Practice is much necessary. And obviously, the lot of registration will come. Some operation will be so that we can check how what the knowledge. Okay. So 4 o'clock is also there. If you want something, other I will stop here. मेरे पास अभी और भी है, फाइल पढ़ना है तुम लोगों को। 4 o'clock is already happening. So tomorrow I will take one more class. By tomorrow, okay. Because already 4 o'clock. Leave it for today. Go in your home, try this database thing, try one registration process, try to create one database connection. Who is working on the JSP subnet? Just try one. Who are working? One more session I will talk on the Spring MVC. Okay, one more thing I will suggest. What happened today? Just ignore it. ये होता है कभी, but our intention to learn. Sir, I need recording. Okay, every recording will given to you. Just go and practice, and your intention to learn. Okay, don't check me. Obviously, I also don't know, but what I know, I can exist my market, and I'm also can lead the project. I have already led it. So these things necessary. If you do Google, lot of things will come. I am not Google. My mind is some limitation. I am not teaching from Google, so I cannot answer everything. What I am learning, what I know, I am delivering to you guys. So be practice and make profits. And thank you for attending the class. Okay, Anish, just stop recording. And tomorrow I will take one more class. And anyone have any